Ito ata ang pinakamabangong iris scent na naamoy ko so far sa Middle Eastern fragrance journey ko. This is Iris Patchouli by French Avenue. You can get this fragrance from Mixen. So, tanungin nyo na lang sila if may available pa na Iris Patchouli. So, ito yung box niya. And then, pag in-open up mo, ayan yung bottle niya. Ang ganda-ganda ng bottle as well. Parang merong gemstone dito sa gitna. Yung scent profile nito has this parang green, plum-like boozy opening. Tapos yung iris nito is like more of a powdery iris but nandun pa rin naman yung buttery lipstick quality niya. Yung dry down smells like a creamy chocolate leather and may konting warm resinous scent profile siya that gives this elegance and parang grace dun sa pabango yet formal and comforting at the same time. It's really, really good. So, performance nito sa skin ko is pretty good. I get around 7 hours of longevity sa balat ko and around 2 to 2.5 hours of below average projection. Pero, more of an intimate scent profile siya para sa akin and that's actually a good thing. Guys, I really highly recommend Iris Patchouli to you guys kasi very elegant yet comforting. Hindi siya intimidating na scent profile pag naamoy ka. Even if malapit lang yung projection niya, pag naamoy ka malapitan lalo for special occasions, your smell really, really good na hindi na-intimidate yung tao sa'yo and you smell very elegant. So, doon pa lang A+ points na and then really good longevity din even if the projection isn't that much. Very, very unisex. Lalaki, babae, okay itong gamitin guys. So yeah, highly recommend Iris Patchouli.